afternoon, everyone. I'm very excited to be here today, albeit virtually. My name is Megan Booth, and I'm part of Adapt IT. We have been in the market for over 29 years and have established offices in 7 countries with a global presence in 172 countries. We have various products that automate compliance for 3 sectors, namely the corporate market, and this is the market that I look after, public sector and government, and lastly, our biggest market, which is the accounting and audit market. We also have a huge footprint in Africa with over 20,000 users. At Caseware, the ecosystem is the core of our offering, whereby Caseware Cloud empowers you with a cost-effective cloud platform where you can manage all your data safely and securely from a centralized location. Our cloud ecosystem lets you streamline business processes and enable your team to collaborate more effectively than ever before. The ecosystem has 4 pillars, namely financial reporting, assurance, tax, and secretarial. And today we'll be focusing on the assurance arm of the product suite. And I'm delighted to introduce you today to Caseware IDEA. So what is Caseware IDEA? This is a tool that was designed by audit, data, and finance experts that allow you to process, connect, and generate insights from large volumes of data. This is an indispensable tool for any CEO, CFO, FD, or FM, or auditor wanting to leverage off the power of their data and optimize their operations. There are over 100 functions within IDEA with an intuitive interface and a powerful data processing engine. Every day, over 500,000 global finance professionals rely on Caseware IDEA to gather deeper insights and make more informed business decisions. Leaders depend on Caseware IDEA to help them manage businesses more efficiently in a timely, cost-effective, and automated manner, whether it is to support internal audit, governance, managing risk, compliance, or streamlining their operations. IDEA provides companies with the choice of 4 different types of analytics. You have your ad hoc analytics, so this is your IDEA base where the internal auditors can decide on which analysis to run. You have your guided analytics, and this is included in various smart analyzer apps with built-in workflows that guides you in performing your analysis. Then we have the advanced analytics, with Python plugins allowing auditors to make use of a broader analytics forum, where you can write your own analysis by using the Python scripting language. The continuous analytics allows you to schedule and script robotics and deploy them at your company. So there are many analytics challenges that companies can face, and some of them are listed here, like importing your data, processing large volumes of data, generating insights from both financial and non-financial data, understanding the entity's risk, like risk of fraud, detecting material misstatements, communications with those charged with governance, and then lastly, compliance and governance reporting. So IDEA is really suited to anything you want to do with data. And this is a list of some of the possibilities. You can have a consolidated view of your financial controls. There's data analytics for fraud detection, governance, risk, compliance, accounts payable and accounts receivable data analytics for payroll and tax. So as any CEO, FD, or board, you have a vested interest in some or all of these areas. And as mentioned, IDEA analyzes financial and non-financial data and analyzes 100% of your data. So we do not have an opportunity to do a technical demonstration today. However, within IDEA, there's a tool called Discover. Discover is a tool where IDEA examines a database and then generates a series of charts and statistics about the data using machine learning. It'll give you predefined insights, and these dashboards are all interactive and intuitive. So this is an example of what it generates. And again, with the click of a button, no hours of analysis. So for example, at the top left, you'll see that there are 3 cells with 0. Cells should never be 0. Why would you sell for 0? This then gives you the opportunity and the insight to go and investigate this. 1 negative record. Again, cells should never be negative. 4 invoices that are duplicates. You should never have duplicate invoice numbers. And again, this gives you the opportunity to understand what went wrong in the system and why duplicates were generated. And further, go and investigate why the duplicates were there. I'm not going to go through all these indicators. However, you can see from the graphs below, a red item indicates an outlier. Therefore, you can go and investigate it further as it does not follow the typical sales curve. IDEA can quickly pick up anomalies in the data, and then you have the ability to drill down and see the detail and understand what happened. So you can see from the screenshot, all you have to do is just click a button and you can generate insights using the Discover tool. Next, let's have a look at the IDEA process. So an IDEA project consists out of 3 phases. Importing the data. This is where you can import from almost any source. We're talking Excel, CSV, report writers, and a range of accounting packages. This is just to name a few. Next is whereby you'll perform the analysis, and this is what we've already discussed, your ad hoc, your guided, Python, and then even your continuous. There are over 100 features and tests within Caseware IDEA, which includes things like sampling, stratifying, gap detection, and any advanced analysis that you can dream up using the Python scripting. Reviewing the results by making use of various reports and visualizations within IDEA, you can then also export this info if you want to take it further. Cloud Share allows you to upload the information or the project into cloud, and then the info is in the cloud and someone else in the team can then download it and then work on that piece of information. So lastly, let's just discuss some of the features. You can connect and consolidate all the info that you have in any format. There's source data protection, and this never changes the info that you import. So ultimately, there's data integrity. You can deliver key insights with over 100 functions for robust analysis, including your aging, duplicate detection, and benefits law. It applies risk sample-based modeling. There are built-in workflows. You can explore and visualize whereby you can identify patterns, trends, and outliers. And then you also have the ability to record every step, which provides an audit trail and obviously evidence. And lastly, you can do the advanced analysis. So to summarize, many companies find that gathering and importing information from many different sources and formats, and then identifying trends and outliers through traditional manual processes like Excel, introduces compromised data integrity risks. This can result in consequences such as the loss of business trust, credibility, and ultimately wasted time and effort. Therefore, a tool like IDEA is indispensable. So what potentially can take you 2 weeks in Excel will take you an hour in IDEA. And every year, the work gets easier and easier. So if you'd like a more detailed demonstration of IDEA, please do reach out to us, pop your details into the chat, visit our virtual booth. My email address is also on the screen. Thank you so much.